Saplings, time to learn another sound. Today we're going to learn the E sound. Let's say together, E. Your turn. E. 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 Fantastic. With this sound, there are some words. Bean. 3. Green. Excellent, saplings. Let's have a look at the picture clue card. What can you say about this card? That's right, saplings are two children and they're looking at something. The phrase that goes with this sound is, what can you see? You say it, what can you see? Excellent. The green words, some of them I've said already. Let's say some more. Need, sleep, feel. Excellent, saplings. I'm going to hide the card. As soon as you see it, you know what to do, saplings? That's right, touch your nose. Ready, saplings? Beautiful. Carry on, nice and clear. Keep going. Excellent, saplings. Straight away, nice and loud. E. E. Fantastic. We're just going to do a quick team celebration and we're going to do the firework one. Let's do it together. From the floor to the top. Ooh, whoosh. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, saplings, time to read and blend. What time is it? Time to Fred. Okay, let's have a look at the cards together. Bean. Your turn. Bean. Excellent. E. 3. Your turn. 3. Excellent. Green. Your turn. Green. Excellent. Challenge. Fred is off my shoulder. No more blending. Let's say the pure sound. The pure words. Without Fredding. Bean. Three. That's right, saplings. Green. Excellent, saplings. I knew you could do it. Time to write. That's right, saplings. Our focus sound is the E sound. Let's have a go at writing the focus sound. Just before we do that, can you tell me the letter names for this sound? That's right, saplings. E and E, because it's two letters, one sound. So handwriting skill. Broken line, solid line, and then broken line. In between the solid line, we're going to write the E sound. So we need an E and then another E. As always, write one line of this focus sound, and then your challenge is the words that we have just gone over. Ask your adult or your sibling in your household to give you a word. So I'm going to start by giving you the word bean. So hide your fingers. Think of which sounds you need to spell that word bean. That's right. How many fingers did you hold up? Show me. 3 fingers. Let's check. B, E, M. Again. B, E, fantastic. So the initial sound, B, that's right. Middle sound, E. And then final sound, Pens down, reading finger ready. Let's read it together. B, E, 3 sounds. B, E, bean. Well done, saplings. I look forward to seeing your work. Bye.